Hello, all. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to talk to you today about Amazon Connect. I'll start with a quick introduction. I'm Joanna. I'm powered by Amazon Polly. Amazon Polly uses deep learning technologies to synthesize natural sounding human speech, so you can convert articles to speech. With dozens of lifelike voices across a broad set of languages, we use Amazon Polly to build speech activated applications, like secure payment transactions, as we will demonstrate today.
Thanks, Joanna. I'm Greg Smith, a specialist solution architect with AWS. Joanna and I will be working together today to review the Amazon Connect Omnichannel Contact Center service and highlight some of the key solutions that help our customers deliver high-quality interactions with their constituents, students, and customers. Joanna will start with a brief overview of the service, and then I'll jump in to provide a demonstration of secure payment processing that'll help you meet your PCI compliancy.
Amazon Connect is an easy-to-use cloud contact center solution that helps companies of any size accelerate innovation to deliver superior customer service while lowering cost. What that means in practice is that we design and create Amazon Connect services and features to be easily adopted by both AWS builders as well as business users who may be entirely new to AWS and who need a simple, out-of-the-box, easy-to-configure solution. Our services are, on the one hand, composable, enabling builder customers to not only integrate capabilities into their homegrown and existing solutions, but also to migrate workloads at their own pace without having to rip and replace all at once. And on the other hand, it's designed to work best together in a fully integrated fashion with a simple out-of-the-box web-based application experience for customers who need the complete solution and have limited developer resources. You'll see evidence of this vision and approach as we move forward in the presentation. Amazon Connect has been built from the ground up to deliver seamless experiences across channels on AWS infrastructure, leveraging the same configuration and capabilities across all channels. We are innovating quickly in self-service customer experience, agent empowerment, and AI/ML toolsets that analyst reports and customer growth are proof positive. Get set up and continuously innovate via self-service, and includes a fully managed, global telephony network. Agents can begin handling contacts in minutes, from anywhere in the world with just a browser and a headset. Once you're operational, you can do amazing things by creating unified customer history and insights. With customer understanding, now you can deliver dynamic, natural automated experiences for all contacts that shouldn't require human judgment, personalized, natural-sounding conversational interactions using our proven speech recognition and natural language understanding technology. When human judgment is required, then use ML guidance to make agents superhuman. There's no need to be a data scientist to make the most of your data. Continuously improve through analytics or insights, auto-assess contact quality, agent performance, auto-identify anomalies and adjust, forecasting, capacity planning and scheduling, etc. And of course, yes, scale on demand and pay only for what you use. Amazon Connect automatically scales to meet any contact center workload. Customers tell us the combo is what they love, helping them continuously innovate to improve CSAT and lower operational costs. The rate and speed of velocity that we allow our customers to improve and optimize their contact centers is one of the main reasons that they tell us that they love us. In 2017, when Amazon Connect launched as a commercial offer by AWS, it had all of the fundamental differentiators, but with only a voice channel offering. It made sense to start there given that, despite the emergence and growth of digital channels, voice is still the number one channel by far. Today, we have a vision of Amazon Connect functions categorized into 4 areas of focus. First is omnichannel customer experience. No longer only confined to voice as the only channel, Connect is omnichannel, including digital, like web chat, SMS, social media messaging integration, or even mobile and app chat. Then agent empowerment. This starts with a unified, single pane of glass, agent experience for all interactions, including customer profiles, case management, step-by-step guides that provide workflow automation, and even generative AI-powered agent assistance for next best response in conversational interactions. Next is analytics, insights, and optimization. where we utilize AI and ML tools to understand sentiment insights in customer interactions and topic themes that help businesses tune the services that their customers are asking for. Where optimization can be achieved by automating agent evaluation to ensure customer is at the forefront of focus in every interaction. And even native analytics that provide capabilities for forecasting, capacity planning and scheduling of agents to ensure that SLAs that drive CSAT can be met. Finally, the self-serve configuration and management tool that make it easy for AWS builders or business users alike. Let's get started and demonstrate how we can utilize these tools. Today, our demonstration will focus on the customer experience in a secure payment transaction. Here, we will discuss the caller experience. Amazon Connect will provide an orchestrated customer experience using what we call contact flows. Within these contact flows, other services like Amazon Lex and Poly will provide the conversational interactions. We will start with a call from a customer. They will dial the main published number and will be greeted with options to make a payment or stay on the line for an agent. When selecting option 1, they are routed to the secure voice authentication menu, where they have the opportunity to use their voice to authenticate themselves. If they choose to stay on the line, they will be placed into queue for the next available agent. After completing the voice ID authentication, and a match is found, they are then routed to the secure payment transaction menu to securely provide their credit card number and amount to authorize billing for. While in the voice ID menu, if there is no match or they have opted out, they will be placed into queue for the next available agent. After the secure payment is completed, they will be asked if there is anything else they need help with. If the secure payment is incomplete, they will be placed into queue for the next available agent. At the Anything Else menu, if they respond no, they will be disconnected and the call will end. If they respond yes, they will be placed into queue for the next available agent. Whenever a caller is placed in queue, they can choose not to wait for an agent and use the Amazon Connect callback function. They can then hang up. When an agent is available, the system will connect to the agent and then call out to complete the callback. Let's hear what a live interaction might sound like.
Thanks for contacting the Credit Card Clearing House. If you'd like to make a payment now, press 1. If you would like to speak to an agent, stay on the line to be connected. Thanks for choosing to use the Amazon Connect Voice ID solution for identity verification. We will use your voice to identify you. You must speak for at least 10 seconds. As an example, you can use a phrase like, "Hi, my name is Bob Wantutri. Please use my voice as my identity and authenticate me." Or, "The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog."
Hi, this is Greg Smith. I received a notice that I needed to make a credit card payment today. Please use my voice as my identity and authenticate me now. Thank you.
You are authenticated. This flow enables users to enter information secured by an encryption key you provide. Please enter your credit card number. Press the pound key when complete. Please enter the dollar amount that you are authorizing to be charged today. Press the pound key when complete. The dollar amount you have entered is $159. Is this correct?
Yes.
The encrypted customer credit card number and approved dollar amount to be authorized is now saved and can be passed to the agent as a screen pop or processed using AWS Lambda. You may also want to check out the sample secure input flow with an agent. Returning back to the original flow. Thanks for making your payment. You can hang up now. If you would like to speak with an agent, please stay on the line while we connect you, or you can disconnect at any time.
If a caller chooses not to use the self-service mechanisms that we just reviewed, let's take a look at how they can use agent-assisted authentication. When the caller is connected to the agent will see the agent workspace. This will contain the caller ID of the calling party, the customer profile, if one already exists, and dialogue in the interaction area that shows that voice ID does not have sufficient audio to identify the caller. The agent can ask the caller to continue speaking, or they can continue a normal conversation. As the conversation continues, the Voice ID function continues sampling the conversation. After sufficient conversation is analyzed, normally about 5 to 10 seconds, Voice ID will show authenticated. When the agent is ready to connect the caller to the agent-assisted secure payment processing, they will select the Quick Connect button in the interaction area. Next, they will see the agent-assisted CC Payment Quick Connect, and will select the Call button. Once selected, the call will be briefly placed on hold, only a second or two, while connecting to the secure payment processing function. Then the caller and agent will be joined and hear the initial payment processing prompt. After that is complete, the agent is placed on hold while the caller interacts with the secure payment processing functions. Once complete, the agent and caller are reconnected to finalize any necessary conversation. If we were to show the caller experience in the agent-assisted payment processing, we'd pick up from the agent having conversation to authenticate the caller with Voice ID. First, the agent transfers the caller to the secure payment processing function. Once complete with the transaction, the caller is connected back to the agent to finalize any necessary conversation. Finally, they can disconnect. Let's hear what a live interaction might sound like.
We'll start with a call into the contact center.
Thanks for contacting the Credit Card Clearinghouse. If you'd like to make a payment now, press 1. If you would like to speak to an agent, stay on the line to be connected.
We'll wait for an agent. The agent's being presented the call, and we'll go ahead and accept it now. The agent will greet the caller and ask the caller to continue speaking to authenticate with Voice ID. Hi, this is Greg. I received a call saying that I needed to make a credit card payment today. Please use my voice as my identity to authenticate me now. As you can see, the caller has been authenticated. The agent can now use the Quick Connect to transfer the call to the agent-assisted payment method.
Credit card entry. The agent is now on hold. Please enter your credit card number, followed by the pound key. Please enter the dollar amount that you are authorizing to be charged today. Press the pound key when complete. The dollar amount you have entered is $248. Is this correct?
Yes.
Thanks for making your payment today. I'll reconnect you with the agent now.
Now that the agent is reconnected, they can finalize their call with any last details, and then we can hang up.
A contact flow defines how a customer experiences your contact center from start to finish. At the most basic level, flows enable you to customize your interactive voice response (IVR) system. This sample secure input with no agent flow is a pre-built inbound contact flow that can be utilized right out of the box. With a little bit of configuration, it shows you how to capture sensitive customer data and encrypt it using a key. The store customer input block prompts the caller to enter their credit card number. The block stores and also encrypts the data, using a signed certificate, that must be uploaded in a .pem format. You will also need to attach the certificate key in the Amazon Connect instance settings. This allows the contact flow to set the encrypted card number as a contact attribute. After the card number is successfully set as a contact attribute, an AWS Lambda function can forward the encrypted attribute to an Amazon DynamoDB database for future processing. Or, the Lambda function can trigger a customer-defined, third-party payment processing, immediately. Guided by the Amazon Connect tenets and product differentiators, we've partnered closely with our customers since launch more than 6 years ago, to move very fast and iteratively deliver new capabilities. We've had over 250 plus launches since our initial launch, with 147 in the last 2 years alone. Amazon Connect delivers a complete contact center at a fraction of the cost of traditional contact center solutions. Like all AWS services, pricing for Amazon Connect is pay-as-you-go, and there are no required long-term commitments, no activation fees, and no minimum spends. You can instantly scale up or down to meet your needs without worrying about telephony, hardware, space, or capacity. You don't need to prepay for extra ports or licenses ahead of time, just to be sure that you have enough, and then pay for them for the entire month, even if you only use them for a day. With customer connected minutes, you only pay for the time your customers are connected to the service plus any telephony you use. There are no esoteric formulas based on agents, managers, capacity, or features, and our customers report savings of 30 to 50% on what they pay just on maintenance for their legacy systems. Some of our customers are even quoted saying they have saved over 80%. The real secret sauce, I believe, however, is the ability to leverage the AWS services and partners to quickly innovate on the experiences you create with Amazon Connect. There are over 150 AWS services available today, and our partners have already developed over 185 integrations with Amazon Connect. All of these features allow your business to focus less on keeping the lights on and infrastructure-level issues like diverse paths for telephony routing, and instead focus on innovating for your customers. From here, I'd like to connect with owners of your contact center business. I'd like to dive deep and understand your business, what your objectives are, what elements of your existing business are frustrating you. I'd like to introduce you and your business stakeholders to an Amazon Connect specialist to go a level deeper and explain in more detail some of the value and ways Amazon Connect can help you innovate your customer experience, whether that is with an immersion day, a customer acceleration team engagement, or even get started with your own proof of concept. I'd like to thank you for investing your time with me today, learning about the diverse, transformative solutions available with Amazon Connect. Please reach out to me with any questions.